Hi, this is Vizzy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Roblox appearance. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Whether you want to switch between light and dark mode in the or you want to change the interface setting or simply give your Roblox experience a different look, you've come to the right place. In the video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Roblox appearance step by step. So it's very simple. If you want to change your Roblox appearance, maybe like this, you from dark to light or from light to dark, or you want to customize your Roblox theme, it's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Roblox. After that, you can go to settings by clicking on the more icon in here. Now you can go to settings. From settings, you can go to device preferences. And from here, if you want to change the mode, maybe from dark to light, you can select in here and choose on light. So now you have changed your Roblox to the light mode, right? And also, if your Roblox is Roblox Plus, you can change the app theme like this. You can use the cosmic dust, supercharge, starburst, lava glow, or and also you can change from dynamic to calm like this one, or maybe this one. But to use this app theme, you need to unlock with subscribe to Roblox Plus to make your Roblox appearance looks like this. And also in here, you can change the text size, minimize to tray when closed. You can manage your Roblox appearance in this section. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change Roblox appearance. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.